done is better than well said. The happy days of liars and hypocrites are very short. Don't throw stones at your neighbors if your own windows are glass. A wise person never argues with a foolish person. People only speak loudly in front of a person who cannot speak loudly in front of them. A slip of foot you may soon recover, but a slip of the tongue you may never get over. The heart of a fool is in his mouth, but the mouth of a wise man is in his heart. Love your enemies, for they tell you your faults. Everyone is a slave to his habits. If you don't find a way to keep earning while you sleep, then you will have to work till you die. You never get a happy life. You have to make it happy. You can destroy your life by worrying too much. 3 things never come back: spoken words pass time, and broken trust. Beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Don't spend time with people who bring out the flaws in you. The things that hurt you actually teach you. A man's actions should match his words. Small changes can make a big difference. Pain makes you stronger. Fear makes you braver. Heartbreak makes you wiser. A painful truth is always better than a hidden lie. Your past is done, so forget it. Your future is yet to come, so dream it. But your present is now, so live it with no regrets. It is better to be the master of your silence than to be a slave to your words. There are 3 faithful friends: an old wife, an old dog, and ready money. Lost time is never found again. A calm mind is essential for success. Jealousy is the most dangerous disease of all diseases. It is the only disease that harms your soul. Do not talk about your happiness in front of unhappy people. Learn to listen, and you will benefit even from those who speak badly. No matter how hard the past, you can always begin again. Never blame anyone in life. The good people give you happiness. The worst people give you a lesson. The best people give you memories. The past is where you learned the lesson. The future is where you apply the lesson. Money can give you a lot, but not everything. Anger is a punishment we inflict on ourselves for someone else's fault. Whatever is begun in anger ends in shame. Hard times will always reveal true friends. You will find the key to success under the alarm clock. Instead of cursing the darkness, light a candle. Many people praise you to your face so that they can use you. Birds born in cages think that flying is a disease. When there is no enemy within, external enemies cannot harm you. Do not be embarrassed by your failures. Learn from them and start again. The scariest moment is always just before you start. Life is a preparation for the future, and the best preparation for the future is to live as if there were none. Winners are not people who never fail, but people who never quit. Do not learn how to react, learn how to respond. Do not speak unless it improves on silence. Life is full of problems is not permanent, But life is permanent, so face the problems with confidence and enjoy your own life. When you become master of your mind, you'll have control over your life. Never show your weakness to the world, because world is much interested to play with it. Forgive people in your life, even those who are not sorry for their actions. Holding on to anger only hurts you, not them. When life blesses you financially, don't raise your standard of living, raise your standard of giving. For your peace of mind, do not try to understand everything. Kindness makes you the most beautiful person in the world, no matter what you look like. When writing the story of your life, don't let anyone else hold the pen. Respect is like a mirror. The more you show it to other people, the more they will reflect it back. Keep doing your best every day, and if no one is proud, be proud of yourself. Never laugh at someone's situation, because you just never know if someday you will find yourself in the very same position. Don't compare your life to others. There's no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it's their time. A wise man: 4 things to keep private at any cost. 1. Your love life. 2. Your income. 3. Your next move. 4. His past, his plans, and his problems. Sometimes we are tested, not to show our weakness, but to discover our strengths. Don't wait for someone to bring you flowers. Plant your own garden and decorate your own soul. Life and time are the best 2 teachers. Life teaches us to make good use of time, and time teaches us the value of life. Sometimes you have to stay silent, because no words can explain what is going on in your mind and your heart. Life becomes easier when you delete the negative people from it. Forgiveness does not change your past. It changes your future. Learn to enjoy being alone, because no one will stay forever. When you learn to survive without anyone, you can survive everything. Don't mention a person's past mistakes when they are trying to change. That's like throwing rocks at them while they are struggling to climb a mountain. I didn't fail the test, I just found 100 ways to do it wrong. Life's biggest tragedy is that we get old too soon and wise too late. Security without liberty is called prison. In life, what you really want will never come easy. Do your duty and a little more, and the future will take care of itself. Laziness travels so slowly that poverty soon overtakes him. I have never dreamed of success. I have worked for it. A wise man leaves to time and power the right to avenge the injustice done to him. Early to bed and early to rise in old age makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise.